Help for question number 2. All right, we are simplifying radical expressions here. Let's look at one that's similar to the question on your review for the test. All right, we have the square root of 8, open parentheses, the square root of 2 plus the square root of 18. All right, what do you think you're going to do here? Do you notice that you simply have the distributive property? Yes. You're going to multiply the square root of 8 times the square root of 2, and then you're going to multiply the square root of 8 times the square root of 18. This is what you're doing. Notice that when we multiply 2 times 8, and then we're going to multiply 18 times 8, this is what we get. All right? Don't let the radical upset you. We're in luck, guys. We have the square root of 16. It's a perfect square. And we have the square root of 144. It's a perfect square. Cool. So what's the square root of 16? 4. What's the square root of 144? 12. Add those two together. Bam! There's your answer. 16. All right. Let's have a little discussion here, guys. We are simplifying radical expressions. What's the best way to do this? Well, we have to know about perfect squares. What are perfect squares? Well, the first one is 1. 1 times 1. Second one is 4. 2 times 2. Next one is 9. 3 times 3. Next one is 16. 4 times 4. 25 is 5 times 5. Are ya beginning to see a pattern? Why do we need to know these? Well, what's the square root of 121? 11. What's the square root of 144? 12. What's the square root of 196? 14. And what's the square root of 256? 16. I suggest after your teacher gives you your test, you write these down on your paper so you have them to look at. I think that might help you. Bye, guys.